Hi, I'm Brett.
I'm Tammy.
And we're here at Hedonism, and we're taking part in the play shop here, learning all about Tantra. Let me tell you all you out there, I'm 55 years old, and I've heard about Tantra since I've been about 20 years old. Well, I finally have experienced it for the first time, and let me tell you, it's real. The things that we have been learning, the techniques that we are learning in this workshop that we're taking here has just brought us closer together, and I can't wait for the next one. And how do you feel?
I feel like the intimacy connection and a more spiritual connection and lots of tips and tricks and techniques that we can use to enhance our life together.
Absolutely. We'll be able to use those for the rest of our lives together. I highly recommend, if you have a chance, please check out Kim and Brad's TantricHearts. They're doing the workshop here. It's TantricHearts.com. Check them out. They're the real deal.
Yes, they are, and you won't regret it.